Today, we're going to dive into a short but incredibly powerful piece of writing. It's really just a single sentence, but it's one of those things that once you hear it, might just change how you look at every single moment of your life.
You know this feeling, right?
It's that sense of being completely underwater, just submerged in the endless scroll, the constant notifications, all that digital noise. We all feel it, but this isn't a new problem. It's a timeless one.
And for some real clarity on this, we're turning to the words of the great scholar Imam Ibn al-Qayyim. He left us a warning that honestly feels like it could have been written this morning.
Okay, just let that sink in for a second. Time wasting is more serious than death. Wow. I mean, that is a heavy statement. It's meant to just stop you in your tracks, to make you really question everything. But how? How could anything possibly be more serious than death itself?
It's the obvious question, for sure. And what's so brilliant about the quote is that it doesn't just leave you hanging. It immediately gives you the answer, and it's all based on this clear, powerful logic. This isn't just for shock value, it points to a deep, spiritual truth.
So let's break this down. Look at the two columns here. Death, as final as it feels to us, only cuts us off from this temporary world, right? It's the end of our time with family, with friends, with all our earthly stuff. But wasting time? That's a different game entirely. That cuts you off from something eternal. It severs your connection to God, to your ultimate purpose, and to the home of the afterlife. So you see, one is just an end to a temporary state, while the other is a separation from an eternal one.
And once you really start to process that logic, it forces you to face a really personal, really unavoidable truth about your own life, right here, right now.
Just think about it for a second. Every single moment that just slips away. The time spent in distraction, mindlessly scrolling. Every one of those moments is another step on that inevitable path toward our own end. This isn't just some abstract philosophy. It's a physical clock, ticking away second by second. And here's the thing that really gets you. The grave isn't just some far-off, distant idea waiting for us. From this perspective, it's an active reality. It's a destination that is already beckoning, already calling out to us.
But here's the crazy part, the great human contradiction. We know this, right? Deep down, we know our time is limited, and yet we act like we've got forever. We put things off, we delay, we live as if that final call is something we can just hit snooze on. So, what do? What's the path forward? Well, the advice is actually incredibly simple and so powerful. It's all about being present, about having purpose. Remember God today, right now, while you still can. Do it now, before you just become a memory, before people start talking about you in the past tense as someone who used to be alive.
And that really brings us to the final, essential question for all of us. We are all walking this path. The steps are happening whether we're paying attention or not. The only real choice we have in the matter is the direction of those steps. So you have to ask yourself, where are your steps taking you?